Hey folks, it's Mark here from Harmonics, where we give you the knowledge to get good on guitar. And today, this is an advanced lick, and it sounds like this. Harmonics is your place to go online for guitar lessons, and as we grow, more and more lessons are being added all the time. Feel free to check out our playlist for beginner, intermediate, advanced, and also universal lessons which are now being added, which is something for any level. A couple of words of warning when you first try this lick. If your fingers aren't particularly quick yet and you're trying to do it, you may find that your first finger kind of hurts a lot as it really digs into that fret as it's trying to stretch to hold the shape. So eventually you will get the calluses on your first finger, and that will help you to avoid kind of the pain and suffering of it, so to speak. I remember when I first tried to do this like many years ago, I remember my finger absolutely killed for like a day or 2 days afterwards, but it does go away. It does get firmer and stronger. Your fingers get more supple, and the stretching part will be a lot easier over time too. So don't give up with it. Just keep playing. With that said, let's get into the lick. Okay, so let's have a look how to do this. It shouldn't take too long. There's not that much to it. It's just more sort of technique than the amount of notes. Let's begin. First finger on fret 12 on the E. So this is going to be an E note. We're going to be upstroking this. Then downstroking our second finger on fret 14. Then upstroking the 15 with our third. 2 pull-offs from third to second. And second to first. So far we have this. Up, down, up, pull off, pull off. Once that's happened, our third finger crosses over onto 15 on the B with a down. So the whole thing. This in itself is an awesome lick, by the way. And the second leg is exactly the same picking. So up, up, and the same movement. Pull off, and then down with a down pick. So it's exactly the same technique. We're just changing the notes. So instead of playing 12, 14, 15, pull off, we're playing 12, 15, 17, pull off. Couldn't be easier. We're simply crossing over onto the 15 again with our third finger. That's going to look like this, slow. And again, if you take that in isolation and play it over and over and over, it also sounds awesome. Now, if you're going to cycle these over and over, something you're going to have to watch out for, especially if you want to go fast with them, is when you do the down, there's this sense of urgency to start it again in order to stay in the beat. So it kind of feels like you're playing rushed in order to not play anything but on the beat. So it's counterintuitive and it may feel a little bit strange at first, but just keep at it and you'll understand what I mean. And you'll find that a lot with any cycling licks where you're crossing the string and then going back again to start on the beat. So this would be like... So the upstroke comes almost immediately after the down, where these feel more kind of evenly spaced. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you get the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, like that kind of idea. So just remember that it's going to kind of feel like that. You might go out of time a little bit as you use the metronome because of that. So try and, keep that in mind. If you look at my right hand, you'll kind of see how I'm doing these 3 picks, the up, down, up, kind of evenly timed. But when I come to the down, it's like I have to start again with the up, like quickly, like it's rushed. It's just how it has to be. And that's it. You just put the two together, so nice and slow. I hope you enjoyed that lesson and you get to grips with that lick. It's pretty fast and furious, so to speak. If you're going to use a metronome, which I strongly advise you to do for pretty much everything I'm going to show you, start it slow, get it right. My advice for this lick, if you're going to be doing it to a metronome, is every time you hit a third note, so for example, on the first part of the lick, that's where the tick should be for the metronome, and on the second part, the tick should be on that note. So the first tick of the metronome should be on the 15, the second tick of the metronome should be on the 17. So tick, 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 tick. You get the idea. So if you're going to try it with a metronome, try it to that and keep it nice and slow. Just get all the notes right. Get all the notes evenly spaced. It's so important they get evenly spaced. That's it. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. I strongly recommend you watch these videos next. I think they'll help you. That's it from me today. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.